How to reset WeChat password. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can reset the WeChat password easily. So if you have forgotten your WeChat password, you can reset it using the following methods. The first step is to log in into your WeChat account, then scroll down to the lowest part of the screen where you can see options like chats, contacts, discover me, and then just go ahead and click on me. Alright, so after clicking on me, you will be brought to the Me's page. So on this page, the last option here is settings. Just click on settings. On the settings page, you can see options like account security, guardian mode, easy mode, etc. Just go ahead and click on account security. So on the account securities page, the next option to select is your password, which is located under phone. So after clicking on password, you'll be brought to the password page. So you can see for account security, password cannot be changed on a new device. Try again after 3 days. This is because my own account is a new account. But for you, after clicking on password, and you are brought to this page, you'll be asked to enter in your old password, enter in the new password, confirm the password, click on done, and then just like that, your password would be changed or reset. But if you are in a situation whereby your password you are trying to log in but you realize that you have forgotten your password, on the login page just click on forgot password. Okay, you can click on forgot password, or you can decide to sign in to log in by using your SMS verification code. All right, and you'll be good to go. So this is it, right? So ensure you set that password today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.